Hello Planet Mashers and welcome! If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you always know when I release new videos. Today we are doing something that will bring your bullet journal to the next level. I will give you tons of fun ideas on how you can decorate your headers and just bring a little bit more flair and color and fun to your bullet journal pages. So get your supplies and let's dive in. Today I will be doing 21 different headers for your bullet journal. Now all of these headers are very simple and they don't really require any specific skills such as brush lettering or doodling, nothing like that. Whatever is your creativity level, you will be able to add these headers to your bullet journal. If you want more detailed step-by-step instructions on how exactly I create each header, there is an accompanying blog post where I describe what exactly I do and also talk about some supplies and other things that can help you absolutely rock your headers. I will leave the link in the description, so be sure to check that out. As for my supplies, as always, everything will be linked in the description. And I hope you enjoy this video and start using these headers in your journal. I'll see you at the end of the video. which one of these headers is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out the blog post with more information on all of these headers. I will see you in the next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!